Good morning, children. Children, now we are going to do something from the workbook. Take out page number 34 and you will see that in theme 3, worksheet number 1, there is a passage given which you have to read carefully and find the answer from the passage itself. Children, this type of exercises we have already done before. I hope you will be able to do yourself. Read the passage carefully and the questions that follow the passage are already given in the passage itself. You just have to find the answer and write it down. Now this is from page number 34 to 35 and worksheet number 1, theme 3. I will first read the passage. You can read after me or you can read along with me. Reading comprehension, you know that the passage is given, you have to understand. Comprehend means to understand it and write the answers of the questions given. The Parsis are the followers of the Zoroastrian faith. Their numbers are dwindling today, but they follow their customs and traditions faithfully. The Parsi New Year, also called Jamshed-e-Navroz, is celebrated on the first day of the first month of the Shahanshai calendar followed by the Parsis. It falls in the month of August. The festival is named after the Persian ruler Jamshed, in whose reign it began. The festival is a symbol of refreshment and rebirth. As in all festivals, on Navroz too there is much excitement in the air. Homes are clean and decorated with ornate rangolis, new clothes are worn and greetings along with the customary sweets are exchanged. Prayers are offered at the fire temple to Khurshid and Meher, two deities presiding over the sun and the moon respectively. It is a custom to lay the table and place a copy of the Gathas, a lit lamp or candle, a shallow ceramic plate with sprouted wheat or beans, a small bowl with a silver coin, flowers, painted eggs, sweets and rose water, and a bowl of water containing a goldfish. All these signify prosperity, wealth, color, productivity, sweetness and happiness. Like in all festivals, food forms an essential part of the Navroz celebrations. Faluda or milk flavored with rose essence is the traditional drink of the day. Pulao, rice with saffron, is a must for the lunch on Navroz. Raho, a popular Parsi dish, is also made on this day. So as you can see that this passage given here is about Parsis. Parsis are a community of people who, as you have seen, it is mentioned that they actually are the followers of Jamshed, followers of Zoroastrian faith, and they are actually celebrating New Year, Parsi New Year on Navroz in the month of August, and they came to India from West Asia. Okay, you can see many Parsis in the areas like Maharashtra and Gujarat, because they migrated from West Asia where there was their home place, and they came, and many Parsis actually live in this, especially this western part of India, in Gujarat and Maharashtra especially find Parsis. Okay, and this celebration is done in the month of August, and it's a festival of refreshment and rebirth, and like all festival, Navroz is also a very exciting one. They decorate their houses with rangolis, and they wear new clothes, and they exchange sweets, and they go to fire temple. There actually temple or the god, they pray to our fire god, and especially their fire temple to Khurshid and Meher, two deities, they symbolizing sun and the moon. And like other festivals of different community, they also make different dishes, decorate their house, and exchange greetings and gifts. Okay, and they are actually a close community, a small community of people living in India. Okay, now based on this reading, answer this question. First question, when do the Parsis celebrate Navroz? It is given in your next page, page number 35, and you have to answer it. And I have written Parsis celebrate Navroz on the first day of the first month of the Shahanshai calendar followed by the Parsis. This calendar is specially followed by the Parsis, their own calendar. Like you have different calendars followed in all over the world. Like they also, these community also follow their own calendars. The Muslims follow called calendar, the Hindus follow a different calendar, the Christians follow a different calendar, even Parsis follow a different calendar, and that is the first month of the Shahanshai calendar followed by the Parsi, and it is actually in the month of August. The second question is number 2. In which other festival do painted eggs play an important part, especially for children? Have you seen painted eggs? They are actually in Easter. The Christians, they celebrate Easter, and Easter is a symbol of rebirth. Here also you must have seen rebirth, and means their Navroz is also celebration of rebirth and refreshment. So this painted eggs play an important part, especially for children on Easter. Easter is celebrated by the Christian, and it is actually the rebirth of Jesus. So the egg is a symbol of rebirth, so that's why, or birth. So that is why painted eggs is an important, especially for children. The third question, how do the Parsi lay the table on the Navroz day? Now children, it is quite long. They have given a list of things that they do, and since you have only 2 lines, I have written it in short. You can write the full thing. Like Parsis lay the table and place a copy of Gathas, that is a book, a lit lamp or candle, a shallow ceramic plate with sprouted wheat or beans. So this much I have written. You can keep on writing if you have space, and if you want to write it, like the Parsis lay the table and place a copy of Gathas, a lit temple or candle, a shallow ceramic plate with sprouted wheats or beans, a small bowl with a silver coin, plants, painted eggs, sweets and rose water, and a bowl of water containing a goldfish. So all these, if you wish to write, you of course you can write it. So this is all about the question answers given in this passage about the Parsis New Year, and that is Navroz. Okay, thank you children.